Welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our multi-vendor meat delivery application Delicious. Delicious is a multi-vendor meat delivery application similar to licious. So if you want to start a multi-vendor meat delivery application like licious, then this will be the best option for you. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So I am going to open our Visual Code Studio to run the application in simulator. Let's open the simulation as well. I am going to use iPhone 14 Pro for the simulation. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the user application and website. In this video, we will discuss about the driver application. So here is our driver application and here is our simulator. I am going to simulate the application in this simulator. It can take approximately 5 to 10 second time to get simulate in our simulator. Let's wait for some time. So here you can see our application is simulated successfully in our simulator. This is our application splash screen that can be changed according to your business. And this is our sign up page and sign in page. Okay, if you have already registered, then you can sign in from here. If you are new here, then you need to sign up from here. You can sign up from here. Okay, so I have already an account, so I am going to log in that account. And you can see this is how our application look like. This is our application home page. And it's asking for the notification and the location permissions as it's a driver application, so user can track their orders with the driver locations. Okay, so this is how our application look like. Here you can see the driver wallet. Here you can see total today earning, this week earning and this month earnings. Here you can see today orders. Here you can see this week orders, and here you can see total orders, and here you can see cash in your hand. Okay, cash that driver has at present. From here you can see new orders available. From here you can see your previous orders that you have delivered, and from here you can manage your profile. Our application support light mode and dark mode, so if a driver want to use the application in dark mode, then they can use in dark mode. If they want to use in light mode, they can use it from light mode. From here, driver can manage the notifications. If they want to get proper notification, they can enable it. If they don't want a notification sound, then they can disable it. From here, you can check your conversation with the clients, with the consumer, with the seller, or with the admin. From here, you can change the language of the application if you want to change the language. Right now, we have added 3 languages: English, Arabic, Spanish. If you want to add any other language, that can be done from our side as per your requirements. From here, driver can change the password, and from here, driver can edit their profile. They can edit their profile image, name, last name, email address, mobile number, and other things. From here, they can see the instant, and from here they can check terms and condition pages, privacy policy pages. They can delete the account and they can log out. So all these features are available in our driver application. If driver want to go offline, okay, then they can click on this button to go offline, and they can be offline with the pop-up message, are you sure you want to go offline? If you click yes, then driver will go offline. If you want to click again, then driver will go online, like this. So this is how our driver application works. In upcoming videos, we will discuss about the seller application, admin panel, and complete workflow of our application. So if you want to start an application like licious, then our Delicious application will be the best solution for you. Kindly contact us, details showing on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.